Today I'll be unboxing the Imaginative Icons mystery pins. These were released in October of 2024 and are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. This is an open edition pin set, so these could be around for quite a while. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Minnie Mouse, Pain and Panic, Sorcerer Mickey, Genie, King Arthur, Yzma, Jaq and Gus, and Robin Hood. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I would like this whole collection, but the one I want the most is Yzma. I really like that pin design, and I would love to get more Emperor's New Groove pins in my pin collection. So these 5 boxes are from Disneyland. I did a park pickup through Connie's Magic Mail Service. So that is where these are from. So let's see what we get in box 1. So these feel decent size. I wasn't quite sure looking at the designs on the box. But our first pin is kind of big and round on the back, and it is Jaq and Gus. Awesome. So we have Gus and Jaq here inside the pumpkin carriage. Super nice. And yeah, these are a decent size pin. All right, let's see what we get for pin 2. This one, I'm looking at the back. I think this one could be Yzma, and it is. All right. So we have the llama potion bottle here, and we have Yzma as a cat sitting on the top, and we have the cork down on the side. That one is super cool. I don't think I have many Emperor's New Groove pins, so I love that movie, so I would like more pins. Fortunately, most of the pins probably came out closer to when the movie was out, but so I gotta collect the ones I can find while I can, right? Okay, let's get into box 2. Are they gonna fall off here? Maybe? No, it's holding on. Okay, so these ones you can kind of feel, and this one kind of feels like another Yzma, actually. Let's see. Oh, it's not. It's different from the back. And this one is Pain and Panic. So this is the Hercules soft drink that they have in the movie, and we have Pain and Panic kind of opening up like a door in the cup, and they're coming out of it. That is super cool. All right, so next, what do we have? Ooh, this is crazy looking from the back. All right, this one is Robin Hood. So we have Robin Hood's hat with the feather, and then you have Robin Hood kind of sitting in the hat. Yeah, from the back, it almost looked like an airplane or something. So, alrighty, so we have 4 out of the 8 so far. Let's see what we get in box 3. All right, pretty sure one of these is gonna fall off here. And pin 5, we have, I can tell from the back, it is another Jaq and Gus. So we have another pumpkin here. And if it's going to be a duplicate box, that means this will be another Yzma. Let's see. Will it be a duplicate box? It is not a duplicate box, but it is another Robin Hood. So, not a duplicate box, but a duplicate pin. So, started off so good, getting 4 out of the 8, and now we only have 4 pins to go, and we still need 4. So, that is how these work. All right. Let's see, box number 4. Let's see what we get here. We have, ooh, I can see it from the back. It is another Yzma. So we got another little potion bottle there. So, really don't want this to be a duplicate box, so I don't need 3 Jaq and Gus. Ooh, this is different. This one is King Arthur. Very nice. So we have the sword and the stone up on the top, and then we have Arthur in his robe and hat here at the bottom. Super cool. All right, so now we have 5 out of the 8. Last box here. see what we get. See if we can get a little closer. We're 3 away right now. I'd love to be 1 away. I mean, right? This one here, oh, this looks like another Robin Hood. Oh, so he's leading the charge here. We got 3 Robin Hoods. And our last pin here is another Pain and Panic. So that was a duplicate box, right? Yeah, so we got 2 of those. So not too bad, 5 out of the 8, and these are pretty cool looking. So those were the Imaginative Icons mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of these 5. My favorite here is Yzma, and one thing I noticed when I was taking pictures that I didn't see when I was unboxing the pin is you can see Yzma the cat, the rest of her, through the bottle. So you can see right through the bottle and see her back 2 paws are hanging down on the bottle. So that is super cool. And the other thing I didn't notice when I was holding the pin is the King Arthur pin. That one has Archimedes up in the top. So you have the sword and the stone and then Archimedes and then King Arthur down at the bottom. So those were 2 little details I missed during the unboxing. So one thing I really want to point out here is they messed up on these on the pin post on the back. I thought maybe it was a design choice, but now that I'm really looking at it, they just messed up. These are not made correctly. So the pin post is not centered on the pin. So for example, here is the Pain and Panic one. So you can see it should be like this, but the pin post kind of goes that way. So that's how your pin's gonna hang. And if I hold it up to you, and then I'm holding the pin post really tight here, and if I relax my grip, that's where it hangs. So that's the natural center of this pin. So if you put this on a pin board and the pin board doesn't have, it's not soft enough for the little nubs to kind of go into the pin board to hold the pin is going to be crooked. And it's not just that one, it's all of them. The sword and the stone one might actually be the worst because you can see where they put the pin post? Way on the side. So if I hold this one and relax my grip, that's where it sinks. So that's kind of where it's gonna wanna go. And the same with Yzma. Yzma sinks down like that. Robin Hood I thought was gonna be good, but it's the same. It falls to there. The only one out of the 5 that I have that is pretty good is Jaq and Gus. And if I let this one go, it sinks just a little bit, not much. It should be like that, but it sinks a little bit because this one, it's mostly centered. It should be over a little bit, but that's just where it's at. So it's unfortunate that they have it this way. So if your pin board isn't soft enough for these to grab into, then they are going to hang a little bit. It's gonna look not so good. So aside from the weird pin post placement, these are super nice pins. This was a pretty good unboxing for me, getting 5 out of the 8. I did get 5 doubles, which isn't so great, but we'll focus on the 5 out of the 8. So I'm only missing 3 pins for this collection, and the ones I'm missing are Minnie Mouse, Sorcerer Mickey, and Genie. So those are the 3 I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.